Hi, Jesse B here. Let's take a look at finding duplicates. When you have a table and you feel that there are duplicates in the table, one of the things you want to do first is sort by one of the columns so that hopefully those like items would be together. And so sort first, and you can just do that by right click. You can go to sort and then choose A to Z, so you can sort. And once you have sorted, then we can put in a little formula here. This is an if and formula, but it's an array. It's actually an array. Now we put in the range, and the range is going to be a little different. It's not going to be from the top to the bottom. We're actually looking at one record across the top. Notice B9 to K9. And then we're going to compare it with B10 to K10. So that's the key of sorting, is because we want to put the like records hopefully together, so this comparison will find the duplicates. Now, of course, because it is an if, we need our value if true, and the value if true is, of course, going to be dupe. And, of course, if it's false, then what we want is we want it to actually say that it's unique. So it is a unique record. And then, of course, we need to close parentheses. Now, at this point, you do not press enter. Remember, this is an array formula. So at this point, we need to hold down the Control, Shift, and Enter. Press them together. You'll notice it says unique. Now, look up at the top. You'll notice there are curly parentheses at the beginning and at the end of the formula. That alerts you to the fact this is an array formula. Now, we double-click the autofill to copy the formula all the way down. And you know, whoops, right there we have a duplicate. So we have duplicates in here. Very easy to spot and find. Now, another thing that you can do to focus in on those duplicates a little quicker, we can turn on the filter. So I go up and click on the filter, and it turns on for your table. We click the down arrow here for this column. You'll notice we have dupe and unique. We're going to unselect all, select dupe, click OK, and now our dupe records are visible. So we know which rows to delete very quickly and easily, but it's another way to separate. You can also do the reverse, and then you could say unique, and then you would have a list of only the unique records without any duplicates. Have a great day.